Here are the Christmas lights I untwisted. These were all twisted up so the whole thing would be shorter and the lights would be closer together. So now you can see they are on two wires and they are pretty far apart. These are two LEDs. And I just salvaged the battery bank of it. I salvaged it, used it for something else. Then I will connect, I wanted to connect a USB cable so I can plug into a USB charger or anything. But I will try it out with an old power supply from a Sony mobile phone, a really old phone. This should also give you 5 volts instead of 4.5, which was given by the batteries, but I'm guessing that it will work with 5. I didn't try it yet, but yeah. So this is the negative and this is the positive, this long wire. I just connect it up and then plug it in. Hopefully it will work and things won't burn out. So I will measure the, yeah, these are all in series, not series, in parallel. So yeah, did I see it right? Yeah, parallel. I just imagined it slightly differently. Okay, yeah, in parallel. So I'll measure the voltage. Hopefully this little chip only gives 3 volts, because that's what the LEDs need according to this piece of paper. For the LEDs, and they need 3 volts. So let's hope that it will transform the 5 volts into 3. Because it could do 4.5 to 3. So I think it will. The negative goes here. Let's turn it off. It has a switch here. Let's connect this. Prevent any shorts. Hopefully connect it here. And how do I... let's put some tape on it. Let's not take any chances here. I've been having bad luck today. So let's prevent this bad luck thing from happening. Just put a piece of tape on it there. So now I will plug it in. And let's see if anything burns. And measure the voltage. So I'll prepare to measure... multimeter here, 20 volts, and let's plug it in. Should I just plug it in? It's plugged in. It's not smoking yet. So what can we measure? Let's measure the voltage. It should be 5 volts on the here and here. Oh, it's filled with glue of some sort. I can't really measure here. Yeah. 5.4. It should still do it. Let's get the glue off so I can measure the LEDs. So for the LEDs, this is the positive. No, this is the positive and the negative goes through the chip, I think. That's the way it works. So then I have to turn it on and measure quickly before the LEDs burn out. So this is the negative and that's the positive. That's weird. Okay. So let's try getting some of that glue off. That is really on. Oh boy, that is barely attached. Okay, that's why they needed the glue. Okay. So yeah, let me just arrange things so you can see the voltage. Maybe like that. and probes, and I hope you'll yell if anything goes wrong so I can turn it off. Oh, they're not close enough. How can I measure these? Okay, I'll turn it on. 2.8. Perfect. So it does its job. The lights turn on and it works with 5 volts. Let's measure the power supply. How much did it drop? Yeah, it dropped to 5.1. Under a load of, how much should this be? 40 times 20 milliamps. That's 400. Yeah, no, 800. Wait. Yeah, 800 milliamps. That's almost 1 amp. Almost 1 amp on 3 volts. So it's under 3 watts. 2 watts maybe, 2. Okay. So this works. And it even has a timer. So it will shut off after 6 hours or something. On, and with the timer it will switch off. It's kind of heating up, but not bad. So this was a success. On to the next project. Yeah, if you can call $2 things projects.